My video will provide you with instructions that will help you to remove the ransomware called Zpww. By the way, this is the ransomware from the DJVU ransomware family. My video, though, is only for the educational purposes. I am not related to this ransomware. I am not promoting this ransomware. I got the sample of this ransomware on the VirusTotal database, which is owned by Google, by the way. So before the ransomware attack, you're able to open your files, all your files, without any troubles. This includes pictures, music, Microsoft Office documents, video files, other information. Well, any data that you store is accessible without troubles. However, because of certain leaks and vulnerabilities, this Zpww ransomware may be easily injected into the device. The ransomware is called like that because it encrypts files and appends this Zpww extension to the file names. And so, because of that, it is impossible to use the data. The ransomware then tells the victims that they need to pay a special ransom for file restoration. However, paying the ransom is obviously not a good idea. This does not guarantee the file restoration. And if you pay the ransom, you may just waste the money. Don't pay it. I recommend you to remove this ransomware urgently with the help of reliable antivirus, such as Cleaner Antivirus. You may get Combo Cleaner on the page combocleaner.com. combocleaner.com. Download the software, install the program, and this is the way it looks like. So Combo Cleaner is initially in the trial mode and only quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button, and most likely the software would first of all update its anti-malware database, which is definitely essential for proper detection and removal of any malware. Then, after the anti-malware database is updated successfully, the program begins scanning, researching, and investigating the system. So then, at the end of this scanning, you will see the summary of all the threats which were found on the computer. Some threats can be removed manually, of course, but my strong recommendation is that you consider premium license, which is a much better solution. Combo Cleaner, however, does not decrypt the files. It helps to remove the ransomware, it helps to protect the data, but it does not decrypt the data. And there is no any other antivirus which would be able to decrypt the data, by the way. So, wait until the scanning has been successfully accomplished, and to get your browser fixed, to get your computer fixed, use Combo Cleaner. And to recover your data, please find a special link in the description to this video, which will give you more facts on how to possibly recover the data.